So we're going to go over the different parts of the kidney and delve into some of the more microscopic structures of the kidney. We're going to start with our nephron, which is this entire structure right here. You can kind of see it on here. It encompasses mostly just kind of this part right here. And then we're going to go to the glomerular capsule, which is going to be this part coming around here. And then you have the parietal capsule, which is essentially going to be the same thing. It's just going to be that lining structure. And then you have your visceral epithelium, which is going to be this stuff that's going to be covering the glomerulus. And then you have your podocytes, which are these little foot cells right here. And then we're going to move on to the proximal convoluted tubule, which you can see right here. It's this army green structure coming directly off of the glomerule. And then you have the nephron loop, which is going to be this entire loop kind of coming across right here, including both the proximal and distal convoluted tubes. You're going to go then to your distal convoluted tube, which is more of this grass green looking one. And then you have your collecting tubules and ducts, this is going to be your collecting duct, and it's going to connect at the collecting tubule up here, which connects it to the distal convoluted tube. We're going to move on to our afferent arterioles and efferent arterioles. So this whole thing is basically, this is the glomerulus, and then this is the glomerular capsule, which encompass the
renal corpuscle.
The renal corpuscle. And then you have the afferent arteriole, which comes off of it here. The efferent arteriole, which is going to come off of it.
No, it's that.
Here, just kidding. Here. And then the glomerulus, which, as I'd explained before, is about here. And then you can also note that the proximal and distal convoluted tubes can also be seen in the structure. So this is going to be your proximal convoluted tube. This will be your distal convoluted tube, which isn't actually attached to the structure. You can just see it kind of coming around and bumping into it.